How to trade in foreign currency for beginners. Automated currency trading, as the name suggests, is currency trading which is carried out by automated machines like robots. Over a period of time, these robots have created a niche for themselves in the currency trading market, and this is the reason as to why there are so many myths and facts associated with their usage among the forex traders. One of the most common myths with regards to the automated currency trading system which is prevalent is that the robots used for trading can effectively replace the human element. This is untrue because none of the automated currency trading systems are completely independent from the human element and require at least some degree of supervision. Although these systems are based on the concept of artificial intelligence, they need to be programmed and monitored on a regular basis by the forex trader who is handling them. The rising popularity of the forex trading market has resulted in the proliferation of this field by a number of frauds and cheats who attempt to sell different types of automated products with the promise of enormous rewards. This is the basis of the second myth, which implies that robots are nothing more than a scam, as is claimed by many new traders who have fallen prey to this tactics. It is due to this reason that one must always purchase these systems from reputed providers to ensure that they are authentic and perform all their functions as promised. Yet another myth which is particularly believed by new and inexperienced traders is that the automated currency trading systems are completely immune from losses. This is also untrue, since there is no system in the world which is completely foolproof, and although the currency trading robots can minimize the losses to a great extent, they cannot eliminate these losses completely. Having gained information about the myths, one must also be aware of the facts associated with the automated currency trading, and one of the foremost facts is that the concerned forex trader should be familiar with the workings of the robots prior to investing in one for the purpose of trading. Since there are different types of currency robots which are commonly available nowadays, the trader should always precede his purchase with a thorough research with the intention of identifying the system which suits his requirements in the best possible way. There are two methods in which the market research can be conducted, which are either physically or on the internet, after which the requisite product can be identified and eventually bought. Automated currency trading can prove to be extremely beneficial for forex traders, but it should be approached and handled with an appropriate attitude. It is only then that they could prove to be the time-saving and profit-earning alternative to forex trading that they are meant to be.